give away paintless dent repair to me and create value.
Okay. Hey, Steve. When I walked around your car outside, I noticed there were a couple little spots that had a few dings and dents in it. Wouldn't you like to keep your car looking brand new the whole time? One of the benefits for purchasing here at Wade Ford is we give you 1 year of dent and ding, which you hate the word ding, sorry. But this way, if you were to park it at Walmart and God forbid one of those shopping carts hit your car, as long as the paint wasn't chipped, don't worry about it. We can send a technician to you. You're more than welcome to come back to the dealership and we'll remove that dent for you.
That is just awful. I'm giving it a 2 on a
Really?
scale of 1 to 10.
Why?
No wonder nobody buys this shit.
Maybe it's
Paintless dent repair. Have you ever had a ding or a dent?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever had a ding or a dent?
Yes.
Have you ever had a ding or a dent?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Me too. How many of us, as soon as we saw the ding or dent, Googled nearest paintless dent repair facility near us?
I have not.
None of us. Have you ever paid to have a ding or dent fixed?
I went to YouTube and found out how to fix a dent myself.
Okay, good, but you didn't pay anybody at retail.
No.
Me either. So, if we're in the car business, you two are normal. We three, you're almost normal. You and I definitely are not normal. Okay? I've got you 25 years now?
Something like that.
I've got 40.
22.
But if we've 22, so we don't get dings and dents fixed. So if someone tells me they're going to give me paintless dent repair, why would I care? I've never got a ding or dent fixed in the first place. Why would it change my life? And the answer is it wouldn't. So you've got to go into some depth. So Nadine, we're going to provide you 1 year's worth of paintless dent repair. Do you even know what that is?
I do not.
Okay, most people don't. However, I'm going to guess that you do know what a ding or a dent is that you get in a parking lot when someone hits it with their door or a shopping cart or something like that.
Absolutely.
Has it happened to you before?
Yes.
How'd it make you feel?
Not very good. I was upset.
Okay, you mean they didn't leave a blank check signed that said, "My bad, please have it fixed and use this check to pay for it"?
Unfortunately, they did not.
They didn't. All right, and I'm going to guess that you didn't seek a paintless dent repair facility out to find out how much it would cost to get it fixed either, did you?
I didn't know.
Okay, each little ding or dent the size of a dime is about 60 to 70 bucks to get fixed if it can be repaired using the paintless dent repair process. If it's as big as a credit card, it's going to be about $150. But you don't know that. Very few people do because nobody gets them fixed. But Nadine, everybody pays for them.
Ooh, I know where it's going. Okay.
You know how you pay for them?
Trade in.
My trade-in, I probably just devalued my trade.
Your vehicle's got dings and dents, like everybody does. I mean, it's not unusual. It doesn't make you a bad person. It makes you a perfectly normal human being that's parked a car. But if you had paintless dent repair coverage, all these dings and dents would be taken out at no cost to you. Forget how much better your car would look. Think how much more your car would be worth.
Wow, Steve.
Okay? Now, you'll be glad to know that the next vehicle you purchase comes with paintless dent repair, complimentary for a full year. But if you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than a year, make sure you check with one of our finance managers. They'll show you how to extend that out to 4, even 5 years. Okay?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, now what have I done here?
You've taken my trade down where I know.
Did I say
now it's not
did I
perfect.
say a bad word about your trade?
No.
But-
But
but
in my
even-
mind, I know that shit. I should have gotten those fixed because it would have been worth more.
But nobody does. What I'm trying to do here is create value in paintless dent repair for a customer who doesn't know. I'm going to give you paintless. If I go to a restaurant tonight, if I go to Cabernet with you, and at some time sneak over and commandeer the microphone that the hostess uses and say, "Look, anyone willing to give me their name and email address, I'll give you a year's worth of paintless dent repair. Come on up." No one's going to get out of their seats because they don't know what it is. They don't know what it's worth because they've never got the ding or dent fixed. And we're so stupid in this business that we should have a line item on every appraisal that goes minus $450 for 8 or 9 dings or dents. Think if we do that. Number one, it'd make the appraisal more legitimate. And it would also create more value in paintless dent repair. But no, that's not the way we've always done it.